Hello, this is Mel Music. I'd like to explain how to read music notes easily since we are having tutorial video series for the very beginners now. We read music note thinking skip and step note movement. I'm hoping this video helps you when you read music note and you play more music with fun. Thank you. I'd like to explain about step and skip note movement. First, the note on the lines are called line note. The note on the spaces are called space note. When you see step note movement, you see line, space, line, space, line, space note. C, D, E, F, G, or F, E, D, E, F. They are locating next to next. Skip note movement. When you see skip note movement, all are on the lines or on the spaces. There is a note between two notes, so they are skipping. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G, F, E. Let's read the music on treble clef. This music starts from C. First major movement is skip movement. Second major step. Third, fourth majors are skip movement. Fifth major, skip. 6, 7. These are having step movement. C, E, G, B, C, B, A, G, F, A, C, E, E, C, A, F, D, F, A, C, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, C and G. Let's move to the bass clef melody. First major, step. Second major, skip. Third major, step. Fourth major, skip. Fifth major, step. 6, 7 are having skip movement. And last major, you see step note movement. G, F,